So we've shot the Guardian. It's taken 3 rounds directly to the tourniquet. 2 were to the handle, which is deformed the handle into that shape. 1 pierced the tourniquet strap. It's a 40 caliber handgun. That's the pierce of the tourniquet strap. So now with the deformed handle and a compromised tourniquet strap, we'll put it on and we'll see if we can make pressure. Okay. Still do a normal cinch because the tourniquet strap, tearaway, and the belt are still intact. We have 0 psi on the gauge. Spread our clips like normal, and then center our handle, and then we'll see if we can get any pressure with a compromised handle. Okay, that's not wanting to work, so if we flatten out the handle, that handle is strong, it does not want to turn or give. Once we get the knot going, then she starts to turn easier. So I'm up to 4 pounds of pressure already. Okay, so 180 degree turn, still making 6 psi of pressure with 180 degree on a massively mangled handle and a 40 caliber compromised tourniquet strap. We'll see if I can make another turn. Beauty of the clips is it's got multiple ways of getting in there still. Even with being compromised, there's still multiple attach points. There's 10 pounds of pressure. Retainer clips still accepted, and it accepts it just as easily as if it was a handle in original condition. It's exactly what we wanted to see. Look at that. Took the shot right through the center. It still didn't even break the stainless.
Nice.
Look at that, just deformed it. Still didn't. A 40 caliber at 2.5 feet.
Did it go through the webbing behind?
Oh, I'm sure it did.
We'll
have to get it off so we can look at it. Oh, that's just awesome. Oh. Yeah, so it went through right there.
It just hits it in.
Look at that. I'm just shocked that it didn't damage a stainless in the least. So now we have 2 spot on the centering mark too. All right, so now 2 shots through the tourniquet strap. Round from the 40 caliber hit dead center in the center of the windlass. Pierced the strap, but did not deform or did not damage the stainless steel. Deformed it slightly, but did not damage the stainless steel. 40 caliber point blank. So now we'll put it back on. 2 tourniquet strap compromisation points. 1 here, 1 at the knot point. We'll put it on, we'll see how it makes pressure now. So still able to use both the tearaway strap and the belt to tighten it. Spread out the clips like you would normally do. Our centering mark is just missing because the marksman shot it dead square in the center. So now we'll see if that compromises the handle or the tourniquet function any. Okay, first turn, first 180 degrees, about 1.5 pounds of pressure. Continuing to turn. Actually it makes the knot easier to make because the strap is easier. Okay, we're up to 5 pounds there. 2 compromise points, it's still good. We'll continue to make pressure here. Beauty of having all the different holes, or the slots on the handles, it'll grab anywhere. We're now up to 9 pounds, so we're making our 775 millibars. We'll take it even further, see how far we can go. Okay, now we're up to 10. So the round went right through where the knot is currently. Tourniquet strap doesn't seem to care in the least. So we've got a hole here and we've got a hole right on top of the knot. We're making 10 pounds of pressure. We'll see how far I can take it here, see if I can make it break. So I'm gonna hold on to the, just put a handle on it so I can really reef. That's as far as that material is gonna go. And it's still intact. It's not even creaking. It's still holding like there's no tomorrow. That's everything I can put on it.